everybody's karma phal is mixture kind of karma phal, because we mixed it while doing it. Components are mixed up and it is maintaining the shape. Okay? Bole, okay, food is remaining, give it to meat. A fruit will come. Fruit of your dhan will come. But because that food was, you did not have a good buddhi. So therefore the fruit also will be affected by that. And because of that, and how much you did the action, 20 years you served. You served only for 2 days. Big difference is there. So because of that, karta is for a finite time. Therefore fruit is for a finite time. Howsoever good fruit you do, that fruit will diminish. And another fruit will start. And in other words, your samsara will remain. Because karma phal comes to not karta. Karma phal does not come to karma. Karma phal comes to karta. As long as this jeev and karta is alive, karma phal will be there. It will search. In Mahabharata, one example is given. It says that earlier Goshalas were there. And Goshala had not 1-2 cows, 1,000 cows. And they all had their respective pegs. 50th, 57, 200, 720. And in the day, they were sent to graze in the forest. When they came back, they would go to their respective pegs. Not that they will forget. Very strange. That the cow 571 number peg, it will go, it's not that another cow is already standing, that this was my one. No. So that 751 cow will go there. See what example this search. You know what is written after that? Similarly, karma phal searches the karta. ये नहीं कि इनका कर्म गलती से उसको दे दिया. Karma phal searches the right karta at the right time. And because of that, howsoever good action, that action will diminish. And what will happen after that? Garbhavas. Why garbhavas? Because go for fruit, another fruit is there. Now 80 years prarabdha has been. Prarabdha means prakarshan arabdha. So much fruits are already, not this much is decided for that, 70 years. Or what about the earlier sanchit karma? Sanchit karma is all in storage. They are unfructified fruit. But prarabdha is already started. Well, supposing I am doing some action, that can go to sanchit and that can straight away come to prarabdha. By agami come they are called. And this way what will happen? Birth after birth will continue. But why he does not know the Atma? If he knows the Atma, he will know I am not the doer. Jnanagni dagdha karmanam tamahu panditam buddhaha yasya sarve samarambhaha kam sankalpa dagdita jnanagni dagdha karmanam tamahu panditam buddha. Kama sankalp varjita. He is not thinking himself as a karta. Fruit jaye kahan ab? Fruit gaya. Ab kisko fruit milega? All the big crores of fruits are there. Ab he doesn't think I am a karta. He thinks I am drishta only. हमको तो पता नहीं. हम तो बन गए करता. बड़ा शौक होता है कर्ता बनने का. All the award is to the karta. And some people are so ignorant, they take somebody else's credit. Our karta is difficult to handle. Now you are taking somebody else's karta. अरे हमने ही काम किया. बड़ा आप खुश हो. अब ये करता आपको नया नया बर्थ देगा. भाई you are here. Who brought you here? Karta of listening. You will go to kitchen. Who? Karta of eating. After that, supposing you go to sleep, Karta of sleeping. All movement in the ashram. Bole, I want to see bookstall. I want. So this Karta will talk you there. All your movement in this ashram is dictated by your Karta. Multiply it. The movement of this Jiva is dictated by a Karta. And who takes you here and there? Not you. Your phal is there. Phal says go to Bombay. Phal says go to Pune. Phal says go to doctor. वो तो phal, like the cow is grazed, like that. Like you play with the dog and take something, maybe a bunch of grass, little grass, heap of grass, and you can make the cow run here and there. Or you can take little bread and make the dog run here and there and play with it. And if you go there, he'll follow you. Are? This example you are giving. And supposing you take a stick, it will run away. These two are karmphal. One is stick karmphal, other is grass karmphal. This makes us run. यहाँ चले गए, वहाँ पैदा हो गए. बोले, how long this will continue? As long as Karta is alive. बोले, how long Karta will be alive? As long as you don't know this is false. अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा कर्ता मिति मन्यते. बोले, what is Karta? Karta is reflection of the consciousness in the mind. How can reflection be true? बोले, I am not saying, you are only saying it. I never said it is true. No, but when Atma is infinite, and the mind and the vritti is finite, yes, how can asang Atma, all-pervading Atma, mix with the less pervading mind? It's up to you. Mind is made out of inert matter. Atma is Chetan. Jad Chetan, how can Jad Chetan mix? Mixing requires both should be sa-avayava, with parts. Two things with part alone can mix. One is without part, like the water if I pour on this space. Space won't get wet. So thought plus Atma does not mean I am thinking. There is nothing called thought plus Atma. Because Atma is the ultimate reality. Atma has paramarthik satta, thought has pratibhasik satta. Lo, again technical words have come. Just keep on hearing. Now both cannot mix together. Then what shall I do? No, you don't have to do. This is the problem. You think properly. You are doing a lot. You think, how can you become Karta? But I feel like that. You feel anything. You feel you are good. You feel you are good looking. The feeling has no meaning. You feel you are intelligent. And sometimes some people do wrong. And if they feel I am right, they are confident that they are not wrong. If the person does not think he is wrong, it's very difficult to correct him. You can wake up a sleeping person. You can't wake up one who is acting to sleep. अब ये कर्ता हो गया क्या? अब तुमने कर्ता किसको माना? केवल आत्मा is not कर्ता. Atma which is reflected in the... But how can Atma be one with the thought? Because thought and Atma should not mix. बोले हाँ भाई. But that means that feeling is wrong that I am doing. Why? Because Atma cannot mix. Prakriti kriyamani gunai karmani sarvasha. The gunas of Prakriti are doing that. Why did you get involved? You cannot get involved into it. Oh. I can tie a rope to this mic. I can't tie the rope to the space. One with part can mix with one with another part. I can tie a rope to this desk. I can tie a rope to this Vyaspeed. I cannot tie a rope to the space. Something which is nir-avaya, niramsh, it can't mix with anything. Well, that means something is not possible but perceptible is called illusion. Perceptibility without possibility is called deceptivity. It's not possible. No. And if Atma was Karta, is it one Karta you are or many Karta you are? Huh? Many Karta. Then number one conclusion. We are many Karta. Huh? I have to wash my clothes. I have to eat food. I have to do write notes writing. Pending is there. Achha? Huh. I have to go for a walk. Last 1 year I have not gone. And I have to call my parents. They are asking, are you coming back or not? So I have to... So I have to call them today. बहुत काम है आज, बहुत काम है मैं आज. उसमें क्लास भी है 3-3, 4-4. And all these kartas keep on raising their hand. हम भी हैं. You have to reply to that mail also. Hello. I ask you, you are one or many? If you are one, how can you be many kartas? You say I am one. And how can you be many karta? और सुनो दूसरी बात, the karta gets over sometimes. You wanted to cook a food is cooked, karta is gone now. Therefore you are relaxed. Now when you were karta, you didn't feel I went away. When karta was there, you said I am doing. But when karta went away, you don't know, karta khatam ho gaya. Huh? You never feel, arey, I died. Or one part of me is dead. You don't feel like that. दो बात, तीसरी बात सुनो. Karta has intensity. Sometimes very intense in the work. Supposing you are writing notes. So sometimes very intensely you are writing, and sometimes you get loose. Well, how long? Then you see here and there. Now, there is a tartam in the karta. It is not same homogeneous karta. It is more intense, less intense sometimes. While listening also, sometimes very intensely listening. Sometimes it is loosely listening. And sometimes you see how long is there. Maybe Bhashya is not coming. When this will come now, then Purv Paksh and Purv Mimamsa said like that. Nyaya has said like that. Well, thank God they are not there. बहुत डर लगता उनसे. The karta has less intensity, but I is not that I am more today and less today. Three things I said. First thing, many kartas, but one aham. Second thing, karta dies and karta is born. But I don't die and I am not born. And new karta doesn't give you experience. A part of me is born today. And third is, karta is intense and resistance, intense. But aham is not less intense and more intense. Anything with parts has intensity. Anything which is not a part does not have intensity. Oh, acha, yes. तीन बात हो गई. Oh. And supposing this karta is there, he could not do the work, it will be sad after that. Karta needs expression. Karta needs an expression. To perform, it needs thoughts, it needs body, it needs situation. Achha, this aham does not need a thought to express. Fourth point. Fifth point. Karta is absent in the deep sleep. But in the deep sleep, aham is there. अब आप बताओ, you are karta or you are the aham? कितने कर्ता हुए, कितने खत्म हो गए? You are studying in 9th class, 10th class, you are a karta. I have to study physics, geography, history, chemistry. I have to do job, उसका कर्ता आ गया. I have to perform to sustain in the job, उसका कर्ता आ गया. I will do such good work that nobody can do it, उसका कर्ता आ गया. वो कर्ता खत्म हो गया. क्यों? I did very well, job also went away. I have to marry now, उसका कर्ता आ गया. Hundreds of karta came and they are dead. आप कौन से हो उसमें से? If you see your life, hundreds of doers and enjoyers came. Karta means enjoyer also. I enjoyed that thing. I enjoyed scene. I enjoy rain. I enjoy cold. I like winter. I enjoyed this food. Achha? Yes. I enjoyed that particular vegetable. I enjoyed this person a lot. I enjoyed this dress. I enjoyed that film. Which film? हाथी मेरे साथी. अरे यार, you are so old. How old are you? I am not 69. नया तभी तुम हाथी मेरे साथी की बात करो. Don't talk all this Hathi Mere Saathi, Guide, all these films are very black and white. छोड़ो उसको. No, Hathi Mere Saathi was not guide. I mean, not black and white. वो भोक्ता काफी enjoy किया ना. हाँ. Today also enjoy the same. No. 5 times I saw. 5 times. Why don't you see 6 times? No, I got bored. Bored means what? भोक्ता चला गया. If you put all in line, ये वेदांत तो एक की हालत खराब कर देता है. वो बोले दिखाओ उस भोक्ता को. कहाँ गया उस भोक्ता को? The enjoyer of one who passed in graduation. Where is that भोक्ता? ले आओ, वापस ले आओ उसको. हाँ? When you passed the BSc or BA with distinction and you had a position in your university, so happy you were, right? Where is that भोक्ता today? उसको यहाँ खड़ा कर लाके. Well, is no more. I'm not happy about it. जो bit was not earlier and which will not be later on, that was appearing in the between, no? ये हमारे जीव राम की कहानी है. And you know what is ego? I was telling, collection of dead bhokta and karta, corpse carrier. I did that work when I was young, you know. Yes, I was a champion in my school. A high jump I used to score. High marks in high jump. So, yes, I was first in gymnast. I was about to be selected in Olympic. Munich Olympic, I was going there. Then what happened? I fell down. I broke my leg. Why you used to jump like that? Oh, now show that. Which one? As you jumped at that time, when you were 20s and 30s. Show it now. Well, how can show now? Now I'm 82. How can I show that? नहीं तो करता है नहीं, तो why are you claiming it now? When you can't do that, why are you claiming that karta now? I was like that. वेदांत का इतना ही कहना है. अब now you study that karta is mithya and bhokta is mithya. What wrong it did? क्या गलती हुई हमसे भाई? And Vedanta says you are the drishta of all karta and drishta of all bhokta. You have nothing to do with any karta and any bhokta. What wrong it did? And the fruit of action will come to this kartas. Dhyan dena. I did lot of work for you, supposing. I have not done, but I did lot of work for you. And the tendency was, I did a lot for him. Whenever he needed help, I was there with him. खूब अच्छा हमने कर्ता बना लिया आपके सापेक्ष. And then you should also respond to me. You should also take care of me. You should also do that. Because karta is always associated with the bhokta. There are two facets of the same coin. तो कर्ता इज विद अपेक्षा. कर्ता इज ऑलवेज विद अपेक्षा. अब क्या हुआ? अपेक्षा रह गई. अब दैट कर्ता इट इज ब्लिंकिंग नाउ. ले आओ हमारा फ्रूट लाओ, फ्रूट लाओ, फ्रूट लाओ, गिव मी. आई डिड सो मच फॉर हिम, ही हैज नॉट डन एनीथिंग फ्रॉम मी. हमने खूब, आई एम नाउ, दिस इज व्हाट कैचर इज देयर. दैट्स लाइक काउ कैचर इज देयर. काउ कैचर इन द बंगलाज. ये फ्रूट कैचर यू हैव क्रिएटेड. अब यू डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग बिकॉज माई फ्रूट वॉज टू कम एट सम अदर टाइम. Now present fruit was already in action. Traffic of very jammed traffic is there. Fruit traffic is very jammed. Now this fruit is created and it is in the queue now. But this karta is jinda. This is alive. I did so much for him for 20 years. I cooked food for him, my mother-in-law, but never she appreciated. I did so much. Every 10% of my salary I gave to my father, but never said good to me. I don't know whether he has put my name in the will or not. If there is a way, there is a will. So, and then, अब खत्म हो गया. मान ली supposing I died. The fruit is not dead now. Now that fruit is now getting concrete. And it will come to the karta, which you wanted sometime, in the form of some fame, good wife, good child, good actions, I mean. To accommodate this karta, you need bhogayatanam, you need infrastructure. The infrastructure है अच्छा सा. And to take this body, you need a house. To have a house, you need father, mother. To enjoy the fruit, educated girl is now in my fruit of action. First, you also therefore get educated. So, whole packaging is there to get that joy to you. I hope you are clear. Ordinary person. ये एक कर्ता की बात हम कर रहे हैं, दूसरा भी हो सकता है. Well, supposing I have done bad action, I don't want the fruit. No. Unconsciously I have ordered the fruit. Why? Because I have done bad. I have troubled somebody. By troubling somebody, I have given a thought of sorrow. Given a thought, everything comes back to its source. Now the same thought of sorrow will come back. Unconsciously I have asked for it. Because I was sad after that. Now you tell me, where is the freedom from rebirth? ये तो हम लोग ने अच्छा सा बीज बोया हुआ है. कर्ता की खेती हो रही है. Therefore this body is called kshetram. in Bhagavad Gita. Idam shariram kaunteya क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते. पहला ही श्लोक 13 चैप्टर का, बोले इसका नाम क्षेत्र है. You know what you say? खेत. खेत. खेत has come from ksha. ksha has become kha. ये क्षेत्र हो गया. अब इसमें खेती हो रही है, नया नया फ्रूट आ रहा है. Asthma came now. Many ammas were okay. Many ammas are there. Menon amma is good. हाँ, शर्मा अम्मा is good. लेकिन one अम्मा is not good. कौन? अस्थमा. अब इस बॉडी से वो अस्थमा आ गई. दर्द शुरू हो गया यहाँ से. खेती हो रही है. Good actions. Ice cream came. What yesterday pav bhaji was there. Day before yesterday I heard pav bhaji was there. And you did not order it. Fruit आ गया. खेत है भाई, उसमें अच्छा गाने लिखा है, आ गया आपके पास. आपने कहा कि हाँ जैसा भी था हम तो ले लेते हैं हाथ जोड़ के ब्रह्मार्पणम करके. वो तो अपने आप आ गया. हमने बोला थोड़ी ना था कोई. Which person will be around you, good looking or not good looking or awful, ये भी हमारा आँख का ही क्षेत्र है. All around you are not surrounded by people, place, trees, plant. All are phal standing here and there. You don't see the food, you see the phal. You don't see why, you see phal, you don't see claws. Phal is सब तरफ, phal ही phal चारों तरफ है. And this bhokta karta which is there, they are all standing. हमारा ही, हमारा. This is called samsari. क्या बोला मुंडक में? बोले द्वा सखा सयुजा सखाया समानम वृक्षम परिशस्व जाते तयोरन्य पिप्लव स्वादवत्ति. दिस जीव इज भोक्ता नाउ. ये भोग गया. हाँ, you praised, I enjoyed a lot. लो फल से फल बना दिया. Now created another फल. By being happy, that means you increased your desire. By being sad, you increased your desire. You are repelling now. That means you desire not to have that. Dislike is also a like. Negative like is dislike. And this way, I maintain fresh bhoktas and fresh kartas. भोगो जाओ. तो हम करें क्या? यसा आत्मानम एव लोकम उपास्ते. One who does the knowledge of the self. क्या बोलते हैं? बोले नैव किंचित करोमीति युक्तो मन्येत तत्त्ववित्. I have nothing to do with any karta and any bhokta. Why? 4 reasons I gave. He is repeating that. Then who are you? I am drishta. So what is enjoyer? I am not the enjoyer. Then who are you? I am the Chaitanya Atma. I have nothing to do. But you are very happy. No, happy, a little happiness. Not that I was seriously happy. I was not seriously happy. Then what Gita says? सुन लीजिए आप. पहले बोले यत करोषि अदशनासी यत जोहोषि ददासी यत. Whatever you do for me. Means what? Means what? You are not expecting a future. You are not ordering something future. प्रेजेंट में ही उसका हमने भगवान को दे दिया. माई इंजॉयड लोअर इज ऑफर्ड टू लॉर्ड. हमें और कुछ नहीं चाहिए आपके अलावा. दिस इज कॉल्ड यू हैव डिफ्यूज द बॉम्ब. अब क्या बनेगा? फ्रूट नहीं बनेगा. फ्रूट. And therefore Gita says in the next slok, शुभाशुभ फलैरेवं मोक्ष्यसे कर्म बंधनैहि संन्यास योग युक्तात्मा विमुक्तो मामुपैष्यसि. बोले दिस पर्सन विल बी फ्री फ्रॉम गुड एंड बैड फ्रूट्स बोथ. बोले आई डिड सो मच फॉर हिम, आई डोंट वांट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम हिम. लॉर्ड बी हैप्पी, गिव मी नॉलेज, बस. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग, यू विल बी इन प्रॉब्लम लेटर ऑन. खत्म नहीं होगा किस्सा. This won't be over. Earlier one to reap so much we struggle. Ordering new one is not a wise living. Not a very wise living. Bhasumat. Therefore, यसा आत्मानम एव विलोकमुपास्ते न अस्य कर्म क्षीयते. One who does the knowledge of the Atma, he will not be reborn. Neither his actions will, good actions will diminish, bad action diminish. I hope this is clear. One who does not know the Atma, anevam with will do the action and he will go to the next. He will not be protected. Na sa bhunakti. He will not be protected. And his good actions fruit also will exhaust. Kshine punne marta lokam vishanti. But the one who is knowing the self, for him good actions will not exhaust. Why? Because he is not there to exhaust. Being in the self is non-exhausting because it is not in Kal. It is not in Kal. What is it? It is Sat Sri Akal. सत श्री अकाल. कोई पंजाब वाले नहीं क्या है ना आप? सत श्री अकाल बोले. सत श्री अकाल. सच्चित आनंद, दैट इज सत श्री अकाल. आई एम नॉट इन काल. दिस सेल्फ. एंड लास्टली, लास्ट लाइन, अस्मादेवात्मनो यद्यत् कामयते तत् सृजते. It is written here, Asmadev, Atmana, fifth case. From this Atma, Jnani does not have desire, but supposing he desires, he can accomplish that. Tattat srijate. This is just an incidental fruit, not the main thing. Just to explain the glory of the Jnani. It's not the main fruit. Main fruit is earlier only. Na asya karma kshiyate. He is not living in that domain where his fruits will exhaust. He is not living in that domain. ये कर्म फल के फुटबॉल वाला नहीं है. जीव इज ए फुटबॉल thrown from one situation to another situation helplessly. He is not there. Then what is he? He is witness of all. And he is not going to take birth. Why? There is nobody to take birth. There is no buddy. Who is the buddy? Buddy is karta bhokta combination. And he already has dispossessed and disclaimed that. He says, I have nothing to do with bhokta, nothing to do with karta. I don't have to. And such a jnani, yat skamyate, whatever he thinks, this is, I said, incidental, secondary fruit. This is not the main fruit. If he is thinking we should build an ashram, ashram ready ho jayega. Because his mind is one with Hiranyagarbha. His thoughts are not body-centric because he has negated his personalized body. अपने आप हो जाएगा. I hope this is clear now. See, Upanishad is so compassionate. Although it is telling about Avidya Sutra, but while telling also it is not failing to tell where still there is a way out. There is a window. You can jump out of that window. Like parents sometime, although they are saying bad about, but in between they say you have this goodness, still you can get out of this problem. More we will see. Next class. Narayan, Narayan.